Hello and welcome to my Paris kitchen. My name is Clotilde Dussoulier. I am the author of the French food blog Chocolate and Zucchini, and today I'm going to show you how I make a green smoothie bowl, which is a green smoothie thick enough to eat with a spoon. It's delicious and zesty, great to keep the winter blahs away, and full of ingredients to boost your immunity so you don't catch every cold out there. Are you ready? Let's do this. You'll need fresh greens and herbs, lime juice, a piece of ginger, a banana peeled, a tangerine and a kiwi, half an avocado, and some coconut or nut butter. First, you'll put 2 cups of greens in. I'm using New Zealand spinach and parsley. Then the ginger and 3 ice cubes and the lime juice. Close and use the tamper tool to help the blender grab the greens. Next up, the banana, tangerine, and kiwi. Scoop out the avocado. Add the coconut butter. Then close the blender and process at high speed until super smooth. Then pile on the toppings. I like chia seeds, toasted coconut, chopped cacao beans, dried berries, bee pollen, and freshly grated cinnamon. And this is so good. I hope you try it. The recipe is at cnz.to/greensmoothiebowl. Thank you for watching.